Hi, everybody. Now, today I come to you to share a great find. Because if I find something great, of course I want to share it with you. Now, I found it because of those amazing people at American Sage and Spirit. Now, they live on a boat like me, but they live on a boat in Alaska. So it's a whole different lifestyle living in Alaska than living in the South or on the East Coast. But we're kindred boat spirits, and we just love the lifestyle. Now, they introduced me to Mama O's Kimchili sauce. It is so delicious. I am just in love with this. Now, it is, I know it's not a wine, but it's truly full-bodied. It is a little tangy, a little sweet, a little spicy, just packed full of flavors. And the best part, there's no gums, there's no artificial anything, there's no MSGs, there's no maltodextrin, there's no words that you cannot pronounce. You know what the ingredients are? I'm reading to you. White vinegar, red pepper flakes, garlic, ginger juice, organic sugar, lime juice, and salt. That's it. All natural ingredients. Just how beautiful is that? I love it so much. I've actually ordered 2 more. Now, what I made with this the other day, and this is what I really want to share with you, because this is going to be your very next favorite dipping sauce. Because we're making Mama O's Kimchili mayo. Now, this dipping sauce is going to be perfect for just about everything. Your French fries, your sweet potato fries, your onion rings, your fish fingers, your sandwiches, your burgers, your tacos. Really going to be good on tacos. Whatever you dip, this is going to be perfect for you. Now, what I have going on here, I'm making my own mayonnaise. I don't like the ingredients in the store-bought mayonnaise, so I always make my own. So I have 2 egg yolks. I'm going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to do about a teaspoon. I'm just going to do a 1/2 of a lemon. And what that is, that's what that is. And then we're going to add our kimchili. Now, you can adjust this to how much flavor you truly want in your mayo. I recommend 2 to 3 tablespoons. And I really recommend 3. I think it's best with 3. So for me, I'm going to go with 3. Now, I make my own hot sauce. And this is kind of like that in the sense that because it doesn't have all those artificial things to keep them binded. So before you use this, just kind of give it a shake. That's what I'm going to do with my hot sauce. I'd rather do this than have something artificial put in here so it doesn't separate. Gosh forbid. Now, I normally in my mayonnaise would put some mustard and some vinegar, but I'm not going to put that because I'm going to get all of my flavor from my kimchili. Now, the next thing I want to do, I'm just going to give this initial little whoosh. I'm not plugged in. All right, now I want to give this initial little whoosh, and then I'm going to slowly add 1 cup of avocado oil. Yes, you can use olive oil, but I don't like olive oil in my mayonnaise because I think it just overpowers. You really just taste olive oil and not that flavor that you want to taste from your mayonnaise. Like if it's regular mayonnaise, I want to taste that egginess and not just olive oil. But you use the oil of your choice. Of course, that's why we make our own, so we can. And so that this emulsifies, I want to add this oil as slowly as possible. So it's going to take a couple minutes. So don't go anywhere. We're not done. Now just look at the color of that beautiful, beautiful kimchili mayo. Now I'll tell you what I did. I took those egg whites and made myself a egg white omelets because you can put this on anything. I'm thinking not only scrambled eggs, deviled eggs. How delicious does that sound? Wraps, burritos. I mean, the possibilities are endless. Thank you again, Alaska Sage and Spirit, for this truly amazing Mama O's kimchili sauce. I just love it. I hope everybody else loves it. I'm going to put a link to my Amazon store. You don't have to buy it from me. If you do, just so you know, I might get a little kickback. So I'm going to enjoy my kimchili egg white omelet. Hope everybody has a beautiful, beautiful day. Thank you for being here. I'm going to see y'all again real soon. Bye. Love ya.